Plants are living things. A living thing can grow, eat, and reproduce. Plants' main parts are roots, stem, branches, leaves, flowers, and fruit. The root helps to absorb water from the soil or mud. The stem takes the water from the root and shares it to the other parts of the plant. Leaf takes sunlight, carbon dioxide from the air, and the water to create food. This food is glucose, a type of sugar. Now the stem takes the sugar from the leaf and shares it to the other parts of the plant. This is how a plant will eat. The plant slowly creates new leaf, stem, branches, and others. This is how a plant grows. To reproduce, the plant creates flower. Inside the flower, there will be pollen. Now, the plant has to give this pollen to another flower. Plants cannot walk, so it makes the flower very colorful and with a sweet smell. This smell and color attracts insects. These insects eat the nectar inside the flower and takes the pollen from one flower to another. Now the flower becomes a fruit or vegetable with a seed inside it. We humans and animals take these fruits and vegetables, eat them, and throw away the seed or plant it. Either way, the seed turns into a new plant. This is how a plant reproduces.
Created using Powtoon.